cooking could lead to paralysis. Did you know? In 1897, renowned chef Auguste Escoffier accidentally paralyzed himself while cooking. Escoffier, known for revolutionizing French cuisine, suffered a severe spinal injury when he slipped on a wet kitchen floor. This incident, largely unknown to many, dramatically altered his life and culinary career. Escoffier's journey after the accident is a testament to human resilience. Despite being paralyzed, he continued to contribute to the culinary world, developing recipes and mentoring chefs from his wheelchair. His legacy lives on, inspiring chefs worldwide. So, the next time you step into the kitchen, remember Escoffier's story, reminder of the unexpected twists in history. And remember, if you enjoyed this tidbit of undiscovered history, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating stories from around the globe. Your support keeps us uncovering the hidden gems of our past. Thanks for watching.